Hey guys, what's up? Say hi, sissy. My sister picked us up. She actually had my car for what, like 2 days? But my sister picked us up and we are on our way to my sister's to go hang out with her and the kids today. But first we're gonna get some coffee. Oh, you wanna say hi, Chips? Yeah. Say hi, guys. He's like, hey, how y'all doing? We're getting some Dutch Brothers. Good. No, I got it.
No, I'm paying. Karina, seriously.
Yeah, I'm like really craving In-N-Out, sis.
I'm so done for In-N-Out.
Thank you.
You guys are all set? Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Huh? Here's a medium.
My hands are so crusty.
Have a great day.
You too, thank you so much. We got the Dutch horse.
Fuck yeah.
We got our Dutch bros, but I'm craving In-N-Out, so we're gonna be fat today and eat In-N-Out.
Fuck yeah, baby.
Can I also get a side of pickles? That's for you. Thank you. That's the anxiety in me. Like, I usually would ask.
Oh yeah.
But I'm feeling a little on the edge. I'm in Henderson. Henderson does that to me. No, dude, I was craving In-N-Out. Like, I've been craving it for a couple days, but when I seen it and I got off the freeway, fat girl status, I was like, yeah.
No, but that's good because usually we're like, I don't know, whatever you want. And then we go back and forth like we're in the couple.
Like, shut up and decide. I'm ay, ay, ay. Mi cámara está callando. I'm gonna shut up. But yeah, we got the food. We're heading to sister's house now, and let me just say, I am one happy fat girl right now. Sis, are you hungry?
Huh?
Are you hungry?
Do you want to say what's really wrong or what's the...
Baby girl sleeping.
Why do you look... Those teeth are cute.
Say good morning.
I have pregnancy test. You want to take it?
I took one at mom's house and it came out negative. Yeah, but maybe it's too early to knock on her house.
Why are you so bad?
So happy that she wants to go buy clothes. And I'm like,
Wait, what?
She was literally saying, you're fat.
We're putting, no guys, but look, we're putting it into the universe now that sis is pregnant.
This is how girls are for 9 months. Salute to y'all because holy fucking shit, this ain't nothing.
Stuff is like that with him. Off and on though.
Well, she was like so bad with the baby, but her with the boys, she was up and twerking while she was like 8 months pregnant.
Yeah, with the boys I was really good, but Alea did me dirty.
Hey, I'm still 22. That's so young.
Yeah, you're so young.
Yeah.
Like, you had your first at 21 a year ago. From me. Not from you. There's an age at your age. Pregnant.
I was already 2 and popped out 2 by your age. Yeah, Alea's pregnancy, 0 out of 10 recommend. That shit was hard. That shit was bad. It was crazy. It was real ghetto. Emilio, tell your mom to have another one.
Mommy can't even do it.
That vasectomy life.
Oh yeah, baby.
No.
I'm just jumping.
You don't need another one of those.
No, fuck no. I was just about to say that. This one's enough. This one's like 3.
Literally.
Get off of your mom.
She's not a jungle gym.
Why do you look like we got tore from the door?
No, that was your mommy.
Yeah, sorry. It's okay. Come back to what you were doing.
Mom.
What?
You poop in here?
Yeah.
So I'm out of here.
Okay. Why you get so mad, feisty little girl? That's why your mom was feisty during her pregnancy. It was you. It was you.
It was fucking you, liar.
Why are you about to cry?
Bye.
Ada.
Bye-bye.
Tell,
You left Tia?
come down and leave.
Oh. I left my sisters on my way to go pick up Evan. We got Evan. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Evan is getting into an age to where he's definitely grown, and it's like a hit or miss with him and his attitude and just his energy. We made it to Five Below. We're gonna grab a few things. My husband's goddaughter's birthday is tomorrow, so I'm gonna get her a gift here, and then we're probably gonna go to, you wanna go to Ross after? We'll see, but we gotta get out the car because baby girl's getting fussy. Say hi, mama. Here, put her hood on, baby. It's cold. Let's go. Have a kiss. You just woke up. Are you mad? No? Wait. Oh, you want one of these, mama? Oh my goodness. You want it? You want it? Oh. You like twerk? He said, I'll twerk for nothing. Okay. And
every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. Reminiscing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going out of slave. I hate that try to let too many bitches get saved. Yes, I break me, so I take a private plane. Get like I'm working on my aim. You too hard to the ground, to the side, to the ground, like a business man.
I have some balls wearing white sweats. Going shopping with kids is not it. The boys are annoying. No, they actually weren't that bad. And I actually placed an order for pickup for Five Below, and my shit got canceled because I didn't pick it up in time. It was literally like 3 or 4 days. But yeah, I'm glad I got that out of the way. And then even my daughter, her birthday's literally coming up this week too. So I got her gift out of the way. But now we're just gonna go and chill at the house. It's already like 3:30, so I'm just gonna chill until babe gets home, make some dinner, because I've been cooking the last couple days. Okay, Zine. Hey, Thea. Can y'all believe how fake my sister is? This is the first time she's at my house since she moved out.
Chilling? Yes. And it's March.
Crazy.
It's February 28th.
Yeah.
3 months, dude. Come on.
Shut the fuck up. I moved out on December 30th. 2 months. Yeah, all of January and February. This is the first time returning.
But we're chilling. We actually just got here like an hour ago.
Why is your tongue out? Concentrator.
Time for din din. I'm making. Huh? Where? No, I don't think so. No, they're upstairs. I'm making dinner. I'm gonna be making tacos tonight of just ground beef and potatoes. Something real quick and easy because your girl do not want to cook today. But I'm washing the potatoes and I'm gonna throw in the ground beef.
I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at.
Say bye, Tia. Bye. My sister's fake and she's leaving. Love you. I'll see you tomorrow, bright and early. Oh yeah, be here.
I'll be here at 8:20.
Perfect.
If I'm not here at 8:20, call me fake and cancel me.
You have to be here at 8:20. Love you. Drive so safe. You have your packages? What?
Evan!
I think he's probably in the shower.
Oh. This is all I have, huh? Yeah, that's my bag. Hey, that's your Amazon package?
It's Eli's. I don't get nothing delivered. That's not Christmas for me.
Bye.
Oh, it's chilly.
Super cold. Love you.
Love you. Drive safe. Text me when you're home. Don't be fake.
I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what
So sad Sissy left, but it was nice hanging out with her. Yeah, you want to say hi? Hi. Hello. Did you take a shower? Yeah.
Sounds like you're working hard over there.
I'm making rice. Yeah, my head hurts.
Oh, it does, man. I'm sorry.
Are you being sarcastic?
No, what?
Dinner's ready. I made the ground beef, but of course babe wants burritos, so that's what I'm making me and him. The kids already ate earlier. Sir. It's been a while since we ate burritos, don't have babe?
Yeah, I have to.
It's been like a month.
I mean, you can make up for me every day.
Every single day. You want sour cream, babe?
Sour cream? Yeah, the Mexican.
That one? Okay. So there's rice and the ground beef, and I'm gonna add sour cream or Mexican crema.
They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to.
There you go, babe.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Now it's me and you. I've been waiting, gonna make a move.
Ooh, this is a fatty. Ooh, burrito.
Oh, there you go.
This burrito, fat as hell.
That's what she said.
Mmm. That shit is good. Yummy?
Not bad, babe.
On everywhere.
You wanna eat some more? Babe, what do you wanna drink? I want your drink. Give me that.
Baby.
What's funny, babe?
Okay, I love you.
How do you feel?
Good.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Babe's building his PC. He's been here for about 2 hours now.
Well, I'm like more than halfway done.
Nice. Nice. Nice, mama. You ready to go, Mimis? But that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.